Welcome to Silverclassroom. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the platform, access teaching resources, and use the AI-powered materials included throughout the course. Let's begin. Once you enter the course, you will notice that the course content is organized using a collapsible accordion-style menu. This design helps keep the course clean, organized, and easy to navigate.
And because the platform uses a collapsible structure, teachers can quickly focus only on the resources they need for each lesson.
The first section provides a general course overview. Along with a detailed syllabus that offers an in-depth breakdown of each lesson. Including grammar targets, business topics, vocabulary references, and an overall learning progression. A simplified version of the syllabus is also included for quick reference and easier weekly planning. Additionally, the platform includes a specialized AI teaching resource called the Master Weekly Teacher Prompt.
This tool helps teachers personalize lessons according to students' learning styles, academic majors, and classroom needs, while also adapting content to the instructor's own teaching styles.
Now let's take a closer look at the course organization. When students enter the platform, they see the same content, except for the teacher sections. Now let's look at the lesson structure. Most lessons contain listening activities, vocabulary resources, visual activities, quizzes, and supporting documents. Many lessons also include downloadable files and ready-to-use classroom materials. Teachers are encouraged to adapt the materials according to the needs and level of their students. Now, when students reach the partial exam lessons, specifically lessons 5 and 10, something different happens.
These lessons include AI-powered exam generation tool.
Inside the lesson resources, teachers will find one or more listening audios, together with their corresponding scripts. Teachers can copy the script and paste it into an artificial intelligence tool in order to generate customized exams and assessment activities. Some teachers may prefer objective-style exams, while others may focus on written production or communicative assessment.
Teachers can use a complete audio file or focus only on specific sections to create more targeted listening and assessment activities.
For example, the teacher may choose to focus only on the first half of the audio or only on a specific section in order to generate more targeted questions. This allows instructors to create focused listening activities or differentiated assessments depending on classroom needs. Additionally, teachers can also use the vocabulary lists included in the lessons to generate extra practice activities, review games, speaking tasks, or additional exams using AI tools. Throughout the course, the goal is to provide flexible resources that save preparation time while allowing teachers to personalize instruction. Now let's briefly review navigation. To move between lessons, simply expand the desired section and select the activity or resource you want to open. Remember that the accordion menu can always be collapsed again to maintain a clean workspace. If needed, teachers can also download many of the resources for offline use or classroom projection. Silverclassroom was designed to combine structured academic progression with modern AI-assisted teaching support. We hope these tools help you create dynamic, engaging, and highly effective English classes. Thank you for being part of Silverclassroom.